Urgent Sell Milligram HS Trophy Edition 2021 CBU Unit Red Interior First Owner. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we have a very clean, well-maintained, and premium SUV for you. If you are looking for a modern crossover that offers style, comfort, and reliability, then this video is definitely for you. So make sure you watch till the end. The car we are featuring today is the Milligram HS Trophy Edition, Model 2021, and registered in 2021 as well. This is a CBU unit, which means better build quality and finishing compared to locally assembled models. The car is first owner, and it has been kept with extra care. Let's start with the exterior condition. This Milligram HS is full original and completely scratchless. There is no repaint, no touch-up, and no accidental history. The body panels are straight, paint quality is excellent, and the overall look of the car clearly shows how carefully it has been maintained. The Trophy Edition gives a sporty and aggressive look that really stands out on the road. Now moving towards the interior, which is one of the highlights of this vehicle. The cabin comes with red interior seats, giving it a very premium and sporty feel. The seats are clean, comfortable, and well preserved. The dashboard, steering wheel, and all interior trims are in excellent condition with no signs of rough use. Everything inside feels solid and well put together. This Milligram HS has 46,000 kilometers driven, which is very reasonable for a 2021 model. The mileage is genuine, and since it's a first-owner car, you can be confident about its history. The car has always been fully maintained, with regular servicing done on time. There are no warning lights, no mechanical issues, and no pending work at all. Driving experience of the Milligram HS is smooth and confident. The engine performance is strong, acceleration is responsive, and the ride quality is comfortable for both city driving and long highway routes. Suspension handles bumps very well, steering is smooth, and braking feels safe and controlled. This is a car you can drive daily without any stress. Another big plus is that new tires have been installed, which means you don't need to spend extra money after purchase. Tires play a major role in comfort and safety, and having fresh tires already installed is always a benefit for the new owner. This Milligram HS Trophy Edition is a perfect option for families, office use, and long drives. It offers a great balance of luxury, performance, and practicality. Whether you are upgrading from a sedan or switching to an SUV, this car will meet your expectations. Overall, this is a just buy and drive vehicle. No work required, no hidden issues, and no false claims. What you see is exactly what you get: a clean, original, and well-kept Milligram HS Trophy Edition. Money bag final demand, $59. Considering the condition, CBU unit, first ownership, and maintenance level, the price is very reasonable and final. If you are seriously interested and looking for a genuine SUV, feel free to contact via inbox for more details. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We bring you honest reviews and real cars so you can make better buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another great car. Until then, take care and drive safe.